How to cure erectile dysfunction naturally. Occasional trouble maintaining or achieving an erection is completely normal. But if your issue is ongoing, you can take several steps to cure it naturally. Talk to your doctor about taking dietary supplements. There are many options that are safe. It's also important to make sure you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle, so eat right and get some exercise. Finally, you can work with your doctor to determine the underlying cause of your erectile dysfunction. Eating a healthy diet and exercising. Walk for 30 minutes a day. Something as simple as going for a walk might be able to help cure ED. Some doctors believe this is one of the best, easiest ways to treat it naturally because it can have a positive impact on your overall physical health. Head outside and enjoy the sunshine. If you need to walk indoors, you can walk on a treadmill or around your office building. Ask a friend or family member to take a walk with you. You can catch up while you're doing something good for your health. Ask a friend or family member to take a walk with you. You can catch up while you're doing something good for your health. Eat a healthy diet. Eating natural foods may decrease the likelihood of ED. Your body will be healthier and function more efficiently. Make sure to fill your diet with fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It may be helpful to add fish to your diet once or twice a week. Swapping fish for red or processed meats can help reduce your risk of health problems that can contribute to ED. Try to limit red meat and processed foods, as the salts in these foods can lead to problems like high blood pressure. Monitor your vascular health. Your vascular system includes your brain and heart. Work with your doctor to make sure that everything is functioning as it should. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar can all cause health problems that can lead to ED. Ask your doctor to regularly check for these issues. Maintain a healthy weight. One way to possibly keep ED from occurring is to watch your weight. Obesity can lead to heart disease and diabetes, which are two common causes of ED. Work with your doctor to determine your ideal weight. You can use diet and exercise to lose weight if your doctor thinks it is necessary. Your ideal weight depends on several individual factors, such as your height and age. Ask your doctor to help you calculate your body mass index (BMI) or use a simple online tool to calculate it on your own. For an adult, a healthy BMI is typically between 18.5 and 24.9. Your ideal weight depends on several individual factors, such as your height and age. Ask your doctor to help you calculate your body mass index (BMI) or use a simple online tool to calculate it on your own. For an adult, a healthy BMI is typically between 18.5 and 24.9. Strengthen your pelvic floor with Kegel exercises. Kegels can strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which can help you maintain an erection longer. First, locate your pelvic floor muscles by stopping urination midstream or clenching the muscles you would use to keep from passing gas. Once you've found the right muscles, you can do Kegels in any position. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles and count to 3. Then release for 3 counts. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions each day.